Welcome to Interior Design YouTube channel. Embark on a captivating exploration of modernity with our collection titled Explore Contemporary Crockery Unit Designs. Within this curated showcase, witness the fusion of functionality and aesthetics as contemporary crockery units redefine the dynamics of kitchen and dining spaces. Each design is a testament to innovation, offering a diverse range of styles that cater to various tastes and preferences. Discover the sleek lines, minimalist, and the curative use of materials that characterize these contemporary crockery units, from open shelving to glass fronted cabinets. These designs provide both a showcase for your preserves dinnerware and efficient storage solutions. The incorporation of modern elements such as LED lighting and geometric patterns adds a touch of sophistication of these units. Whether you lean towards a chic urban style or a more electric vibe, our collection guides you through versatility of contemporary crockery unit designs. Explore the strategic use of color, the seamless integration of storage, and the overall enchantment of kitchen aesthetics. Join us on this journey where from meets function and each unit becomes a statement piece in the ever-evolving landscape of modern home decor. Thanks for watching. Must watch, subscribe and like Interior Designs channel.